Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today again we are back with another movie trailer, that is Sura.
Yes, so we have Talapati Vijay here.
Yes.
And I think Tamanna Bhatia.
Yes.
Right, so we got a lot of requests to do this, trailer reaction or also as well as movie scenes
from
reaction.
The movie Sura.
Yes, so we thought of starting off with the trailer reaction first, and then we will
gradually
we'll
move to scenes.
So yeah, this movie actually the thumbnail and everything was looking damn promising. So we thought, okay, why not to give reaction on this particular movie clip, a trailer.
Yes.
So let's get started. But before that, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. Chalo, let's get started.
Okay, this movie is from this
Action
movie.
Nice.
நம்ம சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு அடுப்பு எரியலாம் ஆனால் அடுத்தவன் வயிறு எரியக்கூடாது.
Okay, she is also there, right?
Yeah.
அதே புயல் மாதிரி வந்தேன்.
என் பேர் சமுத்திரம்.
Okay.
This is villain.
We know that this person.
We have seen in. Okay, he is also there. Yeah.
Vadivelu.
Yes.
மோதணும்னு முடிவு பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் மந்திரின்னு பார்க்க மாட்டேன், மன்னர்னு பார்க்க மாட்டேன். ஒரு கணத்தில் அறிஞ்சா மறு கணத்தை திருப்பி காட்டுவேன் நினைச்சியா?
Wow.
Okay, Sura.
Sura. Okay. This is completely an action movie, I think, right?
Yes,
and
I think
a lot
totally
of
action movie.
stunts and actions were there.
And maybe we'll be able to see a lot of political things also, because villain was wearing that white shirt and all. It seems like he's a politician or something.
Yes, so matlab politician means that not good politician, bad politician only. And he's doing a lot of wrong thing. That's why he's villain. And Vijay sir is the hero. He will be like fighting against all of the wrong things and all.
Right.
So a little bit of romance also we saw, like a
Tamanna
dance steps
Bhatia
and all.
there,
Tamanna Bhatia is there.
Romance will be there.
Mainly it is a action romance movie. What we understood, right? Yes, so this kind of movie I think Vijay sir has done a lot of times. This kind of action movie, and that suits a lot in him. Angry young man or cop or जो बहुत लड़ाई वड़ाई करते हैं, this kind of role is very much suitable in him actually. So here also he was looking damn good in all of the gesture and everything. The first scene where he was like wearing a black jacket and all, he was coming.
I think that
also
will be the second part of this movie.
Yeah,
I think, because first part it was showing that he's in his house only, wearing normal shirts and all.
Maybe maybe he was a normal person, and after that he will be fighting against all of the goons and all.
Yes, something.
So maybe this kind of story. So overall it is an action movie, though we couldn't understand that much because only 1 minute you can understand.
I think
1 minute 07 seconds.
This is not the official trailer.
This is not the official
fan made trailer.
We didn't get the official trailer. We got this trailer only, and that's why we decided to give our reaction on particular on this trailer.
Is a pretty old movie. I think this is from 2010 or 11.
11, I think so.
So that's why we are not getting any official trailer also.
Maybe.
Yes.
But I hope that in Hindi dubbed or English subtitle wala movie we can version we can get.
Yes, we'll get it. It's there. It might be there in the YouTube because it's a pretty old movie. So we'll get it. So
we'll get it.
Yes, of course we'll see the movie also.
Yes.
And if you want, we can give our review on movie.
Yes, we have a long list actually, pending list to give our reaction, like movie reaction you can say, full movie explained by our selves. So that kind of thoughts are there. Also list is there prepared. So we will be soon doing that for you guys. So here in this movie trailer, Vijay sir's face and expression, everything was like fully in anger, and expression wise also he was giving a damn good look, right? He was like angry full on, and he was just fighting and all. So this kind of role
we have seen like his face haven't changed that much from 2010 to till now.
Yes.
In 10 years he looks same only.
He has maintained a lot actually, so that's why
now
he is looking younger. That Master movie trailers, not that's trailer true. In some scenes we saw
that song and
there he was looking much more younger than whatever he was in 2011 or not 10.
Yes.
So yeah, definitely he is a very well maintained person and he is a very talented actor. So we all know that nothing new.
Yes.
So yeah, definitely a very much promising movie. I don't know whether it is a super hit or blockbuster, but it should be a very good movie because
Right.
content wise also it is like looking interesting.
Yes.
Right, action, romance, kind of like
Lot of the
mixed.
almost everything is there, and
I
also
think
we
a
have
little
seen-
bit comedy also will be there. Vadivelu is
right,
there, no?
yes, we forgot to mention that.
Ah.
Yes, so he is there, so we'll be able to see a lot of comedy. Not
Lot of
little bit,
not
lot
not
of,
little bit because he's
Yes.
a very famous comedy actor.
Yes.
So he is there. That means comedy scenes will be there definitely.
Yeah, of
So it is a
course.
complete package, you can say.
Yes.
Okay.
And also one more thing we have missed here, that
Yeah.
music.
Yeah.
Music we have. Right,
That music.
we have given our review in like 27 years
Yeah,
of
so 25
Vijayism,
years of Vijayism part 1, part 2. I think that
They are
music
also-
is there.
yes,
They are
right.
also there. So,
So
that
many
is a very
times,
powerful
right, many times
music.
we have heard that music, and
Correct.
that's why we are able to correlate. Okay, this
This
music is coming from this
music
movie.
is
yeah.
coming from Sura only.
Yes.
So yeah, that is a very powerful music, I must say. And yeah, Vijay sir, only Vijay sir can be there. Okay, where some powerful and some energetic music will be
Yeah,
there, Vijay
right.
sir will be behind. So we all are so proud of him, and definitely I am sure that this movie, at least I don't know whether super hit or not, but surely will be a good movie, right?
Yes, of course.
So definitely we are very much looking forward to give our reaction on some of the movie clips or
Clips,
scenes.
yes.
Soon we will be doing. And yeah, this was for today's video is.
Yes.
And if you like this, don't forget to subscribe. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Sathya Prema, and he or she is telling that please react Neela Vanam song from Manmadhan
Manmadan
Ambu.
Ambu. Yeah.
Okay, Kamal Hassan sir movie. This is totally different, whichever your reaction video is, because the video is playing reversely but the song playing correctly.
Okay.
Brilliant work from our Kamal Hassan sir, and that song is also good to hear. Definitely it will melt your heart. Please
Okay,
react. Okay,
Okay.
definitely Kamal Hassan sir's movie Manmadhan Ambu, right? Okay, definitely we will do.
Yeah.
And I am very much eager to see how the song is like playing reversely, but the video is
video-
playing
visual-
reversely, but the
visuals is
song is
reversed.
playing correctly. So that is quite interesting to see, na?
I think that is the expected scene, or maybe somebody has made that one. I don't know.
Okay, I think after seeing only we can get to
Yeah,
know.
right.
Definitely we will do.
Yes.
And yeah, it seems to be very exciting and interesting, definitely. So thank you so much, Satya, for watching and for commenting.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Subhas D. He's saying that without subtitles, definitely you did not understand anything, because you guys missing a lot of humor and sensational dialogues. Those dialogues and comedy scenes are the best one you never seen anywhere afterwards. Okay, so
And he's commenting
on the
Velayutham.
Velayutham comedy scenes reaction. Yeah. So Subhas, for your kind information, we didn't got any visuals which is having subtitles. So
That is true actually.
Yeah,
In
right.
YouTube also, if you also search, you will not get.
Or if you get
or
anything,
if you
you can-
have, you can definitely
Yes,
provide. We can definitely want to
Yes.
see and want to more understand the humors and the
Right.
dialogues. But yeah, even though without the dialogue also we can understand, right?
Yeah,
we
most of the
understood
part we
most of the
understood,
part
yes.
because they acted so well, and anything, the comedy or the action, anything is there. They acted so well that we could understand
Right.
properly the
properly we
scenario.
missed the dialogues, but scenario we didn't miss.
We didn't miss. So actually the thing is, I also told several times in
Yes.
previous videos also that this is not in our hand. We couldn't get the subtitles
Yeah.
wala version of
And
the
also
videos.
in this
That's
type
why
of old videos, auto generated also did not work.
did not work at all. So that's why. But for that we cannot skip watching videos, right? Good videos, because this
Yes.
all are the iconic movie scenes.
Right.
So we cannot skip or cannot miss, right? So that's why we saw and we enjoyed.
Yes.
So that's all actually. So thank you Subhas for watching and for commenting on our video.
Yes. Third comment for today is from Raghavendra PB. He is commenting on Masterpiece Kannada movie trailer reaction. He's
Yeah.
saying that react on KGF videos. Yes, that's our plan also.
Yes.
And soon you will find our reaction on KGF trailer or
scenes.
movie scenes also.
Correct. We have plan and we will be doing very soon for you guys.
Yes.
So yeah, thank you so much Raghavendra for watching and for commenting. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. I really hope that you like this content, today's content. If you do so, don't
Yeah.
forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. And also once again, thank you everyone whoever have commented on our videos, who are our subscribers and who watch our videos in a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and please stay at home. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.